Hi, so this question is modify the metric. So you are given the n by n metric. So it contains the -1 in the metric, and then you want to replace that with the maximum element in its respective column. So let me just go over this pretty quickly. So this one and this one is a -1 in the original metric. So the maximum value for this column, right, for this column is 9. So I replace to 9. For this column is 8. I replace to 8. So technically I have what? I need two storage. One is going to be what? Sorry, let me write this. So the first storage is going to be, let me know how many -1 in the metric, right? And the second is going to be the maximum for every single column, right? So maximum value for every single column. So I will traverse the -1 coordinate or the position later, and then it will basically pretty easy to resolve. So yeah, let me start it. So I have a columns. So it's going to be based on the columns of the metric, right? And I want to store the value that is -1, right, in the matrix. So new this. So for in I equals 0, I less than matrix.length, I plus plus. For in j equals 0, j less than matrix, and then j plus plus. Alright, so if I j equal to 0, right? Sorry, it's not 0, it's -1, sorry. If metric ij equals to -1, I technically just put the xy in the reset list, right? So reset dot add, and I'm gonna just add oh yeah, come on, ij into the reset, and this will be it, right? And else I'm gonna just keep updating based on my maximum value. Columns at j and matrix at ij. So in this if else statement, it's actually doing something that is supposed to update the column maximum value, or I put the -1 into a reset array list. And at the end, I'm going to base on how many value in the reset size, right? So again, in this question, it's going to be what, 0, 2, 1, 1, right, for the reset. So for the reset, it's going to be 0, 2, and then 1, 1 for the reset, right? I'm storing the ij, which is going to be xy, right? So what is the current? So what is the current coordinate, right? Or the xy is going to be based on this one, right? And I'm going to just update. So matrix at current 0. This is supposed to be x, right? And another one is going to be current 1. Supposed to be y. It's going to be based on the what? The column for 1, right? This is column maximum value for the column, and how do I know which column is it? It's going to be based on this guy, right? The current. So I'm updating this, and I will return the double 2 in array, right? So it's going to be a return matrix. So this should be it. Submit. Cool. Alright, for time and space is straightforward. This is time, and this is also time. So the worst case is going to be traverse every single one of them, right? And you definitely need to do that. So it's going to be all of m times m. Alright, so for the space, this is space, this is also the space, right? And this is the one that originally given, so it doesn't matter. So the worst case for this is what, all of m, right? The number of columns. But for this one, you can actually store every single element into the reset array list. So I would say all of n times n for the worst case, right? If you have all of the -1 in the matrix, right, you have to push all of the index into the array list. So this will be pretty much a solution. So if you have questions, leave a comment, and I will see you next time. Bye.